Okay, thought I'd do a little intro on the car. I've had quite a few people asking about it, asking me to do videos and drive-bys and whatnot. So anyway, this is me, Stu, run MJC Automotive. I'll flip the camera around, give you a little tour around the car in a second, and see what people think. So here it is. It's a 2005 Jazz Sport. It's a 1.4 as factory built, but we'll show you what we've done to it in a minute. Give you a bit of a walk around the car. It's pretty much standard outside. We've got 17-inch ultralight wheels. Got our MJC Automotive 3-piece wheel nuts on there. Also got our own bumper quick release, quick latch that we use. And then at the front we've got the aero catch bonnet catches, which we had to use for reasons that I'll explain in a minute also. Now this is the business end, if you like. It's so it started out as a 1.4, but we've actually removed that and gone for a K20 from a Civic EP3 Type R. So it's a 2-litre VTEC 6-speed manual. Needs a bit of a clean in here. It's a bit mucky at the moment because it does get used every day. It's my daily driver. We've got painted the bay in it's actually a Ford colour, and then in the when we get some decent weather in the sun, you can see the sparkle. It's got metal flake in the lacquer. We've got MJC Automotive hose kit, and you can see down there all the braided lines as well. Car's running full braided lines. Also our own valve cover washers, which is quite nice in neochrome, and every bolt's got our cup washers on there as well. So the engine is completely standard, K20, as I say, from an 05 car. It's just got an intake that I mocked up to use for now. Future plans, get rid of the old intake manifold, the horrible fuel rail, to smarten it up and to get a bit more performance as well. And to stop it, at the moment we've got M-Tec C-Hook discs with EBC yellow stuff pads, so it's OEM calipers, and say as before, the 3-piece wheel nuts that do need a good clean. Car needs a good clean in general at the moment, but give you a little tour around. So we've got our logo on the side to get a bit of advertising. We've got on the back LED lights we've changed out for the originals, a bit smarter. OEM Jazz Sport spoiler in black, which came off another car that I had. Actually quite like it in black. Yeah, that's about it. Obviously we've gone for the jazzy, change it a little bit from the normal one. And then I'll pop the door open and show you inside what we've got inside. So we've got MJC steering wheel and Slim quick release. That's quite a nice quick release, just this black part here. It's a nice slim one, no play in that. Then we've got DC5 shifter with cables. Obviously we've modified it a little bit. Got some of my work stuff in here at the moment. MJC gear knob as well. And then we've at the moment got just the OEM Jazz dials, and added a temperature gauge up here because the Jazz dash doesn't have a gauge, it just has a light. So I wanted to see, keep an eye on everything. And that's about it really. I'll start it up, you can see that it actually runs. So we'll get some flybys and some in-car videos, and we'll get them up at some point fairly soon. So let us know what you think. That's about it for the first one. As you can tell, we've got the car running at the moment, so it's a little bit noisy, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll get some more up soon and get them posted up, and hopefully subscribe and see, we'll get some product reviews and things going as well. So thanks for watching.